PUC1 ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಡೀಪ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ಸ್. Yes, good evening, my dear students. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Arpita? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Is the board visible to you? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So in the last class, we are learning about the sets, the subsets we learnt, right? And also we studied subsets. So the subsets is a set. Suppose A and B are the two set. A is said to be subset of B. How do you write subset of B? A is said to be subset of B if all elements of A are present in B, but all elements of B are not present in A. Is called as a subset of A. Is the board clearer to you? Is the board clearer to you? Can you see? Okay. Is the board visible to you? And also we learned that, so number of, remember the formula, number of subsets of a set, subsets of a set containing, n elements, is given by 2 raised to n, right? Number of proper subsets, if it is asked, so number of proper subsets is given by number of proper subsets is given by 2 raised to n minus 2. What are improper subsets? Improper subsets, generally if you take any set A, that set A is a subset of A itself, and a null set is a subset of every subset. Null set is a subset of every subset, and every subset, these two sets, the set itself and null sets, are called as two common sets. Therefore these two are called as improper subsets. We are discussing this. Okay, improper subsets. With this we will move on to the next set. Now I will take a set A here. If I take the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will write some sets here. Say B. If I take B containing 1, 2, let me take another set B, C, I will take a 3, 4, and I will take a D as 5, 6. Observe, if I take these 3 sets, okay, if I take these 3 sets, see, B is a subset of A, C is a subset of A, D is a subset of A, such a big set, right, which contains all the elements of the set under study. You are studying set B, set C, set D. This particular set is called as universal set. We represent universal set by the symbol U. See, elements of B are present in U, elements of C are present in 3, 4, elements of D are also present in U. Therefore, this is called as universal set. Okay. So let us try to understand what is universal set. Universal set. Universal set. Right? Universal set. What is universal set means? A big set. A big set which contains a big set which contains all the elements of the set under consideration, which contains all the elements, which contains all the elements of the set, all the elements of the set, a big set which all the elements of the sets under consideration, all the elements of the sets under consideration is called what it is called? Is called universal set. Means under study universal set. Iga universal set andre it is not a set of all the sets of the universe. Don't consider like that. The point is that you have to know is it is a big set. It is a big set which contains all the elements of the sets under study, under consideration. We have considered set B, set C, set D. See, the elements of the B are present in U, C are present in U, D are present in 5, 6. If I take another set E, that is AB is present in it. Now, this particular set, AB elements are not present in it. Therefore, this particular set U is a universal set with respect to only B, C, D, which are under consideration. E is not under consideration. Therefore, E is not considered here. So, that is the meaning of a big set which contains all the elements of the sets under consideration or under study is called as universal set. Okay. Now, you can take this example. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is one set 1, 2, C is another set 3, 4 and D is another set 5, 6. They are called as subsets. Clear to you? So, that is the meaning of the subset. That is universal set. Now, let us define another set, complement of a set. Complement set. What is the meaning of complement set? We will try to understand. Complement set. Complement set. Right? Observe here. Suppose here B is a set here. What is B dash is? B dash, generally complement sets of the B are written as B dash. B dash is a set of those X, right, which belongs to U and X does not belong to B, which are present in U but not in B. They should not belong to B, then it is called as complement set. And this is the rule method. How do you write this B dash? Elements of the B dash, except 1, 2, remaining elements 3, 4, 5, 6 are there in the universal set. They belongs to the universal set, but they do not belong to the B. Therefore, this is called as B dash. Okay, what is B dash now? Except 1, 2, you can write 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called as complement set of the B. Similarly, can you write C dash? Try to write the elements of the C dash and D dash. What is the meaning of it? They must be present in U but not in C. Except 3, 4, you can write the elements 1, 2, 5, 6 is called as complement set of the C. Similarly, complement set of the D are present in U but not in D. Except 5, 6, you can write the elements here. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe. So that is the meaning of complement set. Okay. And we can define complement set like this. Complement set like this. We'll define how that complement sets are written as the complement set. Let U be a universal set. Be a universal set. Let U be a universal set. Let A be a subset of U. A subset of U. Subset of U. Right? The complement set of A, the complement set of A is represented as, let me rub this part. Complement set of A is represented as A dash. Generally, we complement set of A is represented as A dash. It consists of elements present in U. Elements present in U but not in A is the definition of it. You can define like this, that is A. In rule method, you can write the A dash is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to U. X does not belong to A. Remember correctly what is complement set of a given set. I hope you understood what is complement set of a given set. Means if U is a universal set, the complement set of the given set is given by the set of those elements which are present in U but not in A. I hope you understood what is complement set. So that completes all types of the sets, right? All types of the sets, and by using a rule method and studied the method of representing rule method as well as the roster method. So there is another method called as Venn diagram method. I will show you what is Venn diagram method. Before we start the operations, now we will move on to the third part of the chapter, that is operations. Types of sets you studied. Operations of sets is the last part of the chapter. Operations of sets. See, what are the operations of sets? See, the first set is called as a union of set. Union of sets. What is the meaning of union of set? We'll study by taking one example. If I take A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is another element containing elements 3, 4, 5, 6. I will take this example, right? The union set of A and B union set of two non-empty sets A and B is a set of those elements which are either present in A or present in B. So mathematically you can write symbolically, I will write it like this: A union B. Generally symbol used for union of sets is this particular symbol, not actually U it is, and it's a symbol. A union B is a set of those elements X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the definition of a union set of two sets. Now can you tell me what are the elements present in A union B? Observe A union B. They must be either present in A or present in B. Right? Now if I write 1, 2, right? 3, 4 are present in A as well as present in B. Right? So therefore you can take now 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 3, 4 and 5, 6. This is called as union set of the given set, right? Let us define what is union set of a given set. Let A and B be, let us write the definition: A and B be two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. If you are asked to define non-empty sets, if A and B are two non-empty sets, two non-empty sets, the union set of A and B is represented as A union B and contains the elements present, contains the elements present either in A or in B. Same thing you can write it symbolically like this. That is a mathematically you can write it this way. Mathematically you can write it as A union B is equal to okay, A union B is equal to okay, mathematically A union B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the mathematical symbol of A union B. Okay, you can even represent these particular sets, right, by using the Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is the third method of representation of the sets. Just I will show you today the Venn diagram method. Just I am experimenting today in this different classroom. Therefore, it is a setup now. Okay. Now see here, you can represent, this was the John Venn diagram method, right? Venn diagram method. So generally in Venn diagram, John Venn for the first time introduced this method of representing the sets. John Venn, in the honor of John Venn, this method is called as Venn diagram. Generally, Venn diagram consists of a square like this. This particular square corresponds to a universal set, means the big set. In this, each set A and B are represented by the circles. Now observe here. This particular A and B have got some common elements. What are the common elements? 3, 4. Therefore, this set can be represented by drawing the intersecting circles. So that you can write, this is A, this is B. Observe. Right? They are intersecting. In the intersecting part, you have to write all the elements of the set are 1, 2 and 3, 4. Observe. 3, 4 are common here. 3, 4 are common here. in both the set A and B. Therefore, except 3, 4, you are writing remaining elements in B. 5, 6. Are you getting me? Now, what A union B gives you? A union B gives you the set of those elements which are either present in A or present in B. Means all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Venn diagram method of representation of the set. This entire set, are you getting me? This entire set consists of A union B. Right? Similarly, you can define intersection of the sets. Okay? Intersection of the sets. How to write intersection of the sets? Right? That we'll see in the next class. On Monday, we'll continue. Just I wanted to see. Are you, can you see it clearly? Is there any problem? Just I wanted to do a test today, so that every Saturday we'll start classes. We'll take the mathematics class at the right time at 6:30. Clear? And just I was testing it today, and therefore just now I prepared the thing. Is everything is clear? Can you see everything? Board is clear? Okay, is it clear? Okay, that's all, my dear students. We'll meet tomorrow, that is day after tomorrow, sorry, on Monday. Okay, Monday we'll continue with the chemistry chapter, some basic concepts in chemistry, which is already started. So Tuesday we'll take the set theory. Almost we'll try to complete the chapter next week. Be ready for a test, one subjective test and one objective test will be taken after completion of every chapter. Okay, so I will send you. Generally, I will try to take the tests on Sundays, because Sundays will take the tests. Whatever syllabus chapter is completed on that week, on that we will have tests on Sunday. That's all, my dear students. Okay, we'll meet Monday. I think everything is clear. Okay, fine. Thank you. We'll meet on Monday, and henceforth every Saturday you will have class, mathematics class sharp at 6:30. So that weekly we will get 3 chemistry, 3 maths periods. Bye. See you on Monday, sharp at 6:30, to continue with some basic concepts in chemistry.